Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, we have a very controversial discussion for today because I would be discussing to you, in my own opinion, Louis Vuitton's new game, which is they are actually trolling us and doesn't want us to find out. But I am here for you guys. I am here for our family because I would be revealing Louis Vuitton's secret that they don't want us to find out, and this is regarding their hidden price increases. Yes guys, so they are incorporating price increases that they don't want us to find out, but rest assured I will be uncovering everything for you. So if you want to find out regarding this very juicy topic that we are discussing for today, kindly stay tuned until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Remerified2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, we know that Louis Vuitton is fond of their price increases, and they are normally doing this not just one but mostly 2 to 3 times in a year for a couple of years now after the pandemic. However, right now, good news is we are not experiencing any price increases. There have been a lot of rumors that there would be upcoming price increase, but it never happened. But of course, we are thinking that this is good news, right? Unfortunately, I have to break it to you. Louis Vuitton is actually incorporating secret price increases to their new design bags, and that is what I'm going to reveal to you. I would be sharing to you a couple of new designs from Louis Vuitton, and I would be of course comparing it to their classic counterpart. So we are going to do an apples and apples to comparison so that you're going to see. So for example, if I would be sharing a new design bag in monogram, I would be also comparing it to a monogram counterpart, a monogram classic counterpart. I would be discussing their features, their similarities, and of course the very huge chunky price difference. So guys, I'm sure you are going to be interested, so let us begin. So guys, hope you don't mind, I'm looking down my notes because I would want to share the information to you as accurately as possible. And guys, if you have any of these bags, I'm not attacking you guys, I'm just wanting to share to you the differences with the prices with these two bags. Kindly comment down below what you think of our discussion for today. But of course, the very first bag that I would like to share to you, it would be the new Nano Alma. So guys, I'm sure I have shared this to one of our vlogs here with the updated Louis Vuitton bag. So the new Nano Alma, this one would be launching November 11th, and this would be part of the new permanent collection. Price is 1,860 USD. So of course, the new Nano Alma, the very first releases that they have done are made with the beautiful epi leathers in many different colors, and this time they are going to release the in classic monogram canvas with leather vachetta top handle and vachetta crossbody strap. So this one of course is very similar to the classic Alma BB. So it definitely looks exactly the same, but the difference is of course this is a micro bag, so it's very small, and of course unfortunately it would not come with any padlock, clochette, and keys compared to the Alma BB. Now let us compare it to the classic Alma BB in classic monogram and even with the Make a Bean canvas, because these two bags, these two canvas bags are only priced at 1,760 USD. So we are seeing $100 price increase. Again, the Nano Alma 1,860, then of course the Alma BB is 1,760, and I'm sure everyone is already familiar with the features of the Alma BB. So I have mine in the My LV World Tour. So it is the same, so definitely it is bigger. So it would come with a detachable shoulder strap, it would come with the clochette, the keys and padlock. And of course, if for example you are afraid of the monogram because it would have the vachetta trims, then you could choose of course the May Bean for same price. So we are going to see now the price difference, and now we can ask the question, why is the new Nano Alma much more expensive than the Alma BB? Wherein they look exactly the same. The Nano Alma is smaller, Alma BB is bigger, and I'm sure if you are going to ask anyone who has Alma BB in their collection, definitely they would say how beautiful and how fun they are of having Alma BB. It's very functional, they could fit everything that they need plus more. The next bag that I would like to compare, of course, this is the new Nano Speedy in classic monogram canvas. Price is only 1,760 USD. So this is the updated version of the Nano Speedy because they have shrunk this one. This is the size of the vintage version, which is the HL. So it is smaller, and of course the price is 1,760. So now the only difference is from the old Nano Speedy. So the new Nano Speedy, the strap, the leather vachetta strap is now fully detachable. Now I would like to compare it to the Speedy 25 in bandolier in monogram and the Demi Bean version. So the 25 size is only priced at 1,820 USD. Is that less than 100 USD? You would be able to upgrade from the Nano Alma to the Speedy 25 with the bandolier version. I'm sure everyone is familiar what a bandolier means. So it means it would come with a detachable and adjustable leather shoulder strap. So again, if you're afraid of the vachetta in the classic monogram, you could get it in the Demi Bean, which would have the treated leather and there would not be any watermarks and so on and so forth. So again, it raises a question, why is the new Nano Speedy just a little bit less expensive compared to the Speedy 25 bandolier version? And definitely if you are going to get the Speedy 25 without the bandolier, it is much more affordable comparing to the new Nano Speedy. The third bag that I would like to raise here would be the Pochette Métis East-West bag. So Louis Vuitton has just released this one from the Pochette family, and I have discussed this previously on our vlog. So the Pochette Métis East-West bag, classic monogram canvas, is priced at 2,910 USD. So of course we are familiar what it looks like. So the Pochette Métis East-West, so it is elongated version, however it is a much shorter version. So it comes with two straps. So it comes with a leather crossbody strap and a chain strap so that you can wear it as a short shoulder bag underneath our armpits. Then of course, if I would like to compare it to the classic version, the Pochette Métis in monogram, and of course you could also get it same price, Pochette Métis in reverse monogram. Price is only, guys, you would not believe this, 2,570 USD. So what is going on, Louis Vuitton? East-West version, the smaller version, and the latest one is 300 USD more compared to the classic version. And honestly, I'm sure everyone loves the East-West version, but if I would be choosing any of these two bags like I've mentioned previously, I would be choosing the classic version, the bigger size, or the original version. So again, if you're afraid of the monogram canvas, get it on the reverse monogram. It would not have the untreated vachetta, and it is bigger. You could transform this one, you could fit everything here plus more. You can use this as a work bag compared to, I feel, the East-West Pochette Métis. It is a little bit smaller, and unfortunately for my lifestyle, I am wanting a size like the Pochette Métis so I could use this as much as I can. Alright, another bag that I would like to compare here, it would be of course their latest release, the new Neverfull BB in the classic monogram. Currently online, it's priced at 1,900 USD. So this one comes with a canvas crossbody strap which is fully detachable, and it comes with a monogram coin pouch. I've watched lots of unboxing of this one. Unfortunately, they are not loving these new attachments, the canvas strap, and they are not loving the coin coin pouch. On a side note, me, I love the coin pouch because I don't have this in my collection yet. So this one, I would like to compare it, of course, with her sister, the classic counterpart. So we are going to discuss it with two sizes. Number one, the Never Full in monogram, or the Deme Bean size PM. This is the smaller version. Price is only 1,960 USD. So it is the same bag, definitely much bigger version than the Never Full BB. So both are again in classic monogram canvas. The difference with the Never Full PM, so this is the classic style, I'm sure everyone is familiar. This one doesn't come with a detachable crossbody strap just like with the Never Full BB. But again, the Never Full BB is just $60 US, a little bit cheaper compared to the PM size of the classic Never Full. Then if you are going to get the popular size, the Never Full MM in the monogram and the Deme Bean version, price is only 2,030 USD. So it is just 100 USD, a little bit more expensive. Never Full BB. So what do you think, guys, of these two comparison? And guys, I would also like to add here, the same type of Louis Vuitton Game, what they're going to do is they are going to discontinue their classic bags, and then they are going to reintroduce it, just tweak it a little bit and make the bag prices so much high, like definitely higher. So for example, the very first of this example, so guys, I'm sure you've heard of this one. They are going to discontinue the classic Pochette Accessories. Yes, guys, so they are going to discontinue that one, but checking upon US website, it is currently no longer available. So it could be true that they are going to discontinue this one because they are releasing a new permanent version, a different version, and the price of the new version is 1,520 USD compared to the classic version, guys, right? So they are just tweaking the classic Pochette Accessories. So what changes are they doing? So number one, it would come with two straps. So it would come with the leather vachetta strap, and it would come with the chain strap. So that is one change. And then the next update that they're going to do is it would now come with one zippered compartment on the inside of the bag. Aside from that, everything would be the same. So do you think, guys, it would merit the 400 to 500 price increase from the original version? And we all know how much the Pochette Accessories has already increased from their previous price increase. Aside, of course, from the Pochette Accessories, I'm sure you know the story, the Toiletry Pouch 26, the entire Toiletry Pouch has been discontinued, and then they have released the Toiletry Pouch on chain, which is again much more expensive. Then of course there is the well-loved Louis Vuitton favorite in the monogram and the Deme Bean canvas. So X, they have deleted that and they have reintroduced it on a newer version, and of course the prices are much more expensive. So guys, another point I would like to raise here, I will be sharing to you now the new bags that they are sharing to us. However, I feel, in my opinion, the prices are sky high. So these are some of the new bags, mostly are micro bags. Take note, micro bags, very small, very teeny tiny. So number one, of course, we have the Ivy wallet on chain. Price is 1,760 USD. Then we have the Lily Walk. Price is 1,670 USD. Padlock on strap, 1,770 USD. This one, I really don't like the look of it because it looks like a sunglass case and it is very expensive. And of course, one of their newer releases in classic monogram canvas is the Alma BB. Price is staggering, 2,030 USD. Yes, guys, so you have heard it correctly. These are just some examples of the reason why I am thinking that Louis Vuitton is definitely trolling us. So they are not doing their annual price increases 2-3 times in a year, but what they're going to do, number one, is they are going to reintroduce a smaller version of the classic bags. However, the prices are sky high. Number two point is they are going to discontinue bags, and then they are going to re-release it, just tweak it a little bit, maybe add a chain, add an inside pocket, and then again, they are going to jack up the price. Third point is they are releasing newer micro bags, however, the prices again are sky high. And I feel that the reason why they're releasing so many micro bags right now is they wanted to tap, you know, the newer Louis Vuitton market, new Louis Vuitton customers that wanting to have a feel, have their hands on a new Louis Vuitton bag. Don't be fooled, guys. So you have to think very, very carefully. So as you can see, I have shared their classic counterparts and my recommendation. Again, guys, this is not a jab on anyone here. If you have those newer bags, good for you. I'm very, very happy for you. Honestly, me, if money is not an object, then definitely I would also want to purchase some of those bags, like the Nano Speedy, the Pochette, the Micro Pochette Métis. Definitely I find it very, very cute. However, if for example, if you are like me, if you are very, very practical, then definitely choose wisely. Check the classic counterpart. Definitely they're bigger, they look the same, and they would function really well. And then you are going to bring down the cost per wear with these new Louis Vuitton bags. Plus, these styles are classic, so it means that you could wear them years and years and years and they would not go out of style. Louis Vuitton is definitely not going to cancel them. So what do you think, guys, of our topic for today? Was I able to raise valid points with this one? Do you want to add anything so far? Definitely, I would love to hear from you. So kindly comment down below. Let us have a conversation. Fam, let's have conversation. Do you think this is the new Louis Vuitton game? Are they really trolling us? Are they not going to do their price increase, but they are going to do it secretly, trying to avoid any chatters from us that's saying that they are, you know, like just wanting to grab our money and of course not talking about it? So please comment down below with your thoughts and suggestions. Definitely we would want to hear from you. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's episode. If you have reached this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!